Ashlyn and all from Wright stuff, and today we're going to be filming a video because this past Tuesday was my birthday and tomorrow will be my birthday party, so we decided that we are going to bake and decorate the cake for tomorrow. So let's get on with it. Okay, so the first step to baking or cooking anything, you always want to wash your hands with warm water and soap. Cut to the washing hands montage. This is what we will be using for baking today. Next step when baking is to preheat your oven so that way it can be nice and warm whenever you are ready to put whatever you're baking in. For ours today, we are going to be preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Next, you always need to coat your pan or bowl or whatever you're using to bake in with non-stick spray so that way you don't have a mess of stickiness later on in this baking journey. So you don't want to spray too much and make it super greasy, but at the same time you want to make sure that it's nice and coated so that nothing sticks.
Guys, let's bake your cake and together and then together inside and cook it hot and cook it hot, eat it open and see the cake.
Yep, whenever we open the oven, we will see the cake. Once you've got your oven preheating and your pan's nice and oily so nothing sticks, you're going to grab your box of cake mix because we're simple. We don't want to bake a homemade cake today. So you want to make sure that you have everything measured out perfectly. We have our half cup of oil, our cup of water, and our 3 eggs are in there. So we want to mix all of these in a large bowl, which we have right here.
Then comment with the cup, down for the bus and then press the button and after mix and cake and other cooker after the cake wherever you put
Do you want to pour it in?
Yeah, put.
You want to?
Yeah.
Okay, pour it in the bowl.
Okay. Cut.
What are y'all doing?
Baking a cake.
Good cake.
Making a cake. Can I help?
Sure.
Good.
Need some carrots.
It's not a carrot cake.
Yeah, cake.
Okay. Some orange juice.
It's not an orange cake.
The cake.
I don't know. I'll just let y'all do this. Are you doing a YouTube thing?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Hi YouTube! Like and subscribe in the comments and do the stuff, man. Down the haters. See you later. I don't know what to do.
Guys, my dad is shooting. Your dad here is. And that is what I put after the cake and the blue and the mix it around. The put 100 and put over there.
Time to get back to baking your cake?
And cake.
Alrighty, you want to pour in the water in the oil?
Yes.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Careful, it's glass.
I put it.
Yep, pour all of it in. More.
That's it.
That's our water.
That's it. And
Now our oil.
now.
Perfect.
And
And then the eggs. I'll put the eggs.
Egg.
To make sure they don't crack.
So, cook it. For egg.
Trash, please. Thank you. 2 eggs. Oh, my trash dude left me. And our 3rd egg.
Hi.
Are you an astronaut?
Yes.
Well, Mr. Astronaut, could you throw this away for me?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay, so once you have all of your ingredients in, you just want to mix, mix, mix until it's completely combined. We don't have a electric mixer,
Yes.
so
These
use my muscles today.
Bye.
First an astronaut, now a cowboy.
Yes.
Well, Mr. Cowboy, do you want to help me mix this cake?
Yes.
Here. Mix it up. What are you laughing at? Me?
Guys, and me, I actually Bob, the kid in teacher.
You pranked them?
Yeah.
Was that you the whole time?
Yeah.
What?
I picked you.
Oh, you pranked me?
Uh-huh.
Well, you're a good prankster. Okay, now it's time to pour it into our pans. Alright. Make sure you get an even amount in each pan so that each cake bakes evenly. Our oven is done preheating, which means it is time to set these in there. Oh my goodness gracious.
Hi guys.
What is it with the pranks, man?
Well,
Well, it is time to put these cakes in the oven. Are you gonna help with this?
Yes.
I love that shirt.
Thank you.
Follow me to the oven.
Me.
One and 2. Now we will let those 2 cakes bake for about 31 to 32 minutes. See you when they're out. That smells good. Let's take a look. So while we're waiting for our 2 cakes to cool down, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be making my frosting. So for the cake, we're going to be frosting it with regular white cream cheese frosting. But for the decorations, we're going to be using pink cream cheese frosting. But we did not buy pink cream cheese frosting because they did not have the correct shade of pink that I want. So I just got white. Plus it's a lot more simple. So I'm just going to put all of my cream cheese frosting in here. Well, 2 pans of it, and then I have 2 more for the white part. So that's why you take an extra spoon. And make sure you get all of that frosting in there. You don't want to waste any of it. Maybe. There we go. Now we're gonna add a little bit of pink food coloring. Gonna start with 1 drop for now, just so it's not too dark. We're just gonna wait for the cakes to cool a little bit more and then we'll start. Okay, now that our cakes are all cooled, it is time to start the crumb coat step before we put anything else on the cake. So to start this, we're gonna get a big old glob of our frosting and put it on our decorating board so that way our cake does not move around during this process. Plop it down right in the center, and boom. Now you're gonna get more frosting.
You know it.
Plop it on there.
You know it. You smell that? You smell that?
Yeah.
Spread it around.
That smells like frosting. I think there's frosting in there. No, there's frosting! Here you go. Oh, yes! I want frosted! This is so good.
Now that that is done, we let that sit in the fridge and chill for a little bit while we get our pink frosting into our piping bag. Our icing bag is full and that's been chilling for a little bit. We're going to start making our roses. Our bottom row of roses. Really good. Okay, I'm going to be trying something new today. We're going to be spray painting the cake. Alright. Okay, let's just put that light through.
Ashlyn! Ashlyn!
Yes?
Are you spray painting my car parts in the house?
Yes, sir.
What? You're spray painting my car parts in the house?
Yep.
What? Why are you spray painting a cake?
It's edible spray paint. I think.
Okay.
I think we're good to go on the gold. Now I'm just gonna write a little happy birthday right here. So this is the finished cake. And here's where this video comes to an end. Thank you so much for watching this video with Baking with Ashlyn. It was very fun to make, and I'm super excited to share this cake with all my friends at my birthday party tomorrow. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below what you thought, and give us more video ideas. Thank you, see you next time. Cue the outro.